Episode 10, The Future of Human Health. The future of human health is not going to come from more information. It's going to come from more embodiment. For decades, health has been treated as a problem to solve, a diagnosis to manage, or a protocol to follow. But the next evolution in health won't come from more complexity. It will come from returning to something that's simple. Your direct relationship with your own body. Your fascia, your breath, your posture, your movement, your nutrition, and your nervous system. These are not separate systems. They are one continuous intelligence. And the people who thrive in the future will be the people who understand that biology is not something that happens to you. It's something you participate in. Your body is always adapting, always listening, always reorganizing itself around the life you're living. You can choose that adaptation consciously, or you can let it happen unconsciously, but it's happening either way. The future of health belongs to people who choose it. People who move with intention, people who breathe fully, people who nourish their bodies according to human design, people who prioritize recovery, people who stay connected to their structure, to their sensation, and to their resilience. Technology may support health, but it will never replace the fundamentals: embodiment, strength, stillness, adaptability, and awareness. This is the frontier. This is where human beings rediscover what it means to live in a body instead of just owning one. Adaptive bodywork is part of this future. A future where people no longer wait for crisis or injury or collapse before they return to themselves. A future where people build resilience before they need it. A future where youth is measured not by age, but by responsiveness, coordination, and clarity. The people who will thrive are the people who learn to partner with their own biology. If you're watching this, you're already one of them. Stay tuned for episode 11, The Most Interesting Person in the Room Without Trying.